So let's assume you're out driving in your 2025 car, in this case an Aygo-X from Toyota, a fantastic car, but the manufacturers are forced to implement stuff that they didn't want. This particular screen there is obviously, it's designed as it's been glued there in some kind of aftermarket solution, but it's original, and I can understand Toyota. It's like you can see they are really forced to put it there. It's like it's really just an add-on. But if you're tired of the dings and dongs and it feels like somebody's pulling the steering wheel, you don't know even which one is which. It's just ding dong, pling plong. Just on this car, you just push steering wheel 1, 2, 3, 4 and center, poof, and you push this further to the right, hold it in until that thing down there turns orange. So here, on off, just hold it so it turns orange, and the other one is 1, 2, 3